Making money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program has got to be some of the easiest money I've ever made. Yet beginners fail because they don't understand product research, or in other words, they review garbage products. So in today's video, I want to open up the curtains and share with you guys 5 strategies to find winning TikTok Shop affiliate products. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm an 8-figure entrepreneur, and the TikTok Shop affiliate program is literally a money printing machine if you can find the right products. So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you guys 5 different strategies to find these winning products. So we're going to cut the fluff, dive right into it. And if you guys get any sort of value, please consider subscribing, and let's jump into my screen. We're going to be using a tool called Kalodata. Again, there's 5 different strategies to find products, and this tool is going to allow us to do that without having to manually scroll on TikTok for hours. I've done it the old way, scrolling. It does not work. It's not very efficient, but Kalodata has been an absolute game changer. So what you guys can do is click the link down below. You guys can get 10% off with coupon code Trevin. And right here, you're going to see the plan start at $45 per month. So with that coupon code, it's going to be just around 40 bucks. And I'm telling you right now, this is going to make you more money than anything else when it comes to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So the first strategy that we're going to be using to find products is this category tab. So what you're going to do is think what category you're interested in. It's common sense. What products are you most likely to promote and understand? Because those are the products that people are going to resonate when they watch it. Because if I'm trying to promote a product that I don't even use myself, how are other people going to see that video and buy it? We don't want that to happen. So right here, we're going to find a category. And in my case, I like the sports and outdoors category. I am obviously not a girl. I can't wear women's underwear or women's leggings. That just makes 0 sense. But I can come right here to the sports and outdoors category. I can click right here. And from here, it will show me the top products right here in the last 7 days in this particular category. And sure enough, this product right here, I actually am promoting currently, and it's generating me revenue every single day. And I found it from a simple strategy like this. And what you can do is you find the product and you're like, okay, it's obviously doing well. What is working so well? Well, you come over here and you can see the top creators and see exactly what they're doing. So you can not only find the product that has potential, but you can then learn from other creators and see what they're doing. And then you can just basically replicate their success and turn it into your own. So that's the first strategy, is go to the category tab and just go to a category that you're interested in and scroll until you find a product that fits your interests, and then get that product and then follow the top creators and then make a similar video. Don't be a carbon copy. Don't copy it, but make a similar video to the other creators. And boom, just like that, you're printing money. So that's the first strategy. The next one is go to shop. This is where you're going to find the top shops on the TikTok Shop. And this is just absolutely insane. In the last 7 days, this little micro ingredients, not little, they're a behemoth of a company, they've done $1.28 million in the last 7 days. So obviously they are doing something right. And these are the companies that you want to potentially work with, because what happens is these top TikTok shops understand how the game works. And what I mean by that is, if you come right here, and let's just say I start promoting this retractable hose reel, which is a great product, and it starts doing well. Well, this brand is going to want to basically boost that video with what's called an ad code, and they're going to basically put money behind that video if it performs well, and they're going to promote out of their own pocket, and it's going to generate you money. So working with the top brands is super powerful, and going in and finding these top brands is very easy by, again, just clicking shop, and then you just scroll through until you see a product that you're like, oh, this is actually interesting, this retractable hose reel. Boom, just like that, you make a video, and if it goes well, guaranteed this company is going to be reaching out to you asking for the ad code, or if not, you're going to give the ad code to them so that they use it and promote and boost your video. So that is a second super easy way. Again, partnering with large shops is extremely powerful. And then not only that, once you partner with them once and you do well, they're going to send you more and more products, because they don't just have one product, they have multiple products. So that is where the power in partnering with large shops. So that's the second strategy. The third strategy is finding top creators and you learn from them. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. You guys can go right here and see that this individual has generated almost $300,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. Not even, actually 7 days, last 7 days. So what is he doing? Well, you can click on him and you can go watch his videos and you can see the products that he's promoting and you can see what he's doing and you can basically learn from him. And so that's what you're going to do. This is the strategy. You can see the best selling products that this guy is doing. Right here is little it's not little, it's a workout long sleeve fishing shirt. Well, this fits me perfectly. I go fishing all the time. I would love to have a long sleeve fishing shirt. So this is a product idea that I'm like, okay, I want to promote this. Let's go and watch his video. What did he do to promote this product? And if you're a girl right here, you've got these like curling irons or these straighteners. Well, what did she do to generate $280,000? So there are literally so many product ideas right here that I can go in and be like, okay, these top creators are obviously crushing it. What are they doing? And what can I do as well to get to that level? So again, there's a product right here. This is a drying towel. I actually requested a sample for this and it's on the way. And I'm going to do a review on this towel. And again, these are how you find these products. You go to the creators, what is working for them. You can go in and make it work for you. Again, don't overcomplicate it. And so many people overcomplicate this process and they get garbage products and they wonder why they don't make money. And it's either the product that you're reviewing sucks or the video sucks. And I'm showing you guys exactly what to do to find the best products. And then not only that, to learn from the creators, the videos that they're making and just replicate it. Again, don't copy it, but do something similar. And so that is the third way, is to find the top creators and see what they're doing and learn from them. So now jumping into the fourth way, and this is one of my favorite ways, is coming to the products tab. You can come over here to the filters, and we haven't even began to touch the filters. That's how powerful Kalodata is. Again, I'll put the link down below, 10% coupon code for you guys. But you can come over here and you can find products in a certain category that have certain revenue numbers, that have a certain number of creators. So you don't want one that has 5 million creators. So we'll just say max of 200 creators. And then we'll come over here and we'll make sure, hey, we want ones that are doing at least 1K to 10K. And from there, it's going to give us a list of products that we can scroll through and find that have potential. And there's literally pages. So we can go to 20 per page and we can scroll and scroll. And right here, this is actually one, something similar is a product that I'm going to start promoting. I just got a sample for it. And these are literally how I find the products that I promote. I use this tool, I find the best products, and then I come over here and I say, okay, what is this creator doing to generate revenue? And again, a simple video like this, like I can do something better. And so right here, the products tab, super easy to find product idea after product idea. It seriously is mind-blowing how simple it is. And Kalodata literally simplifies it for you. So that's the fourth way, but the products tab, you can go right here and literally find product after product. There's thousands of them. The fifth way is coming to the video tab. And this is where you're going to find the most viral videos right now. In the last 7 days, you can also filter out the dates to the last 30 days. You can customize it to yesterday and see what is trending, what is working. So not only is this going to help you find winning products, again, you can find these products that people are promoting, but you can also see what did they do in their video that works so well to get them. We're talking 5,000 units sold. That's ridiculous. Almost 10 million views in the last 7 days. So what did she do and what can I learn from her to implement into my TikTok Shop affiliate business? Again, don't overcomplicate it. We're talking about learning and not reinventing the wheel, learning from people that are crushing it currently. And again, I love this Kalodata tool. I can come over here, I can hover over this, and I can literally watch video after video and find product after product. So right here, these gummies are blowing up. These little these headphones are blowing up. And again, you want to find products that fit the kind of your vibe and the category that you're interested in, or something that is more relatable to you. Because again, if you can't talk confidently about these earbuds, like don't bother. But if you can talk about this water flosser and you have a good experience or you have a good video idea, then yes, that's something that you should definitely look at. So those are the 5 easy ways to find products. Again, I didn't click anything other than just click category, click shop, click creator, scroll through, hover over some products, find some videos. The product, you can go over here and look at the advanced filters and whatnot. But we're talking about thousands of products at your fingertips. You just need to go in and take advantage of it. So get Kalodata, start learning, start finding the top creators, the videos that they're doing, the products that they're reviewing, and go and do it yourself. And I guarantee if you follow this process, you will start making money, guaranteed. It's just that simple. the work that you put in is what you're going to get out. So don't try to take any shortcuts. Don't think it's going to happen overnight. It seriously is going to change your life if you put in the effort. So Kalodata is my favorite tool. Absolutely love them. And what we're going to do is I'm going to find you guys a few more products to wrap up the video. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. And we're going to come to, again, one of my favorites is the product. And we're going to come to these filters. And I'm going to come over here to the revenue trend. And I'm going to say growing because I want something that has an upward trend potential. We've got number of creators less than 200. Is it an affiliate product? Yes. We want to make sure that there's actually potential to promote it and receive commissions on it. And then I'm going to hit submit. And just like that, it's going to pull up a list of products. And right here, again, this is one that I found. I'm doing something similar to it. We've got these 3 voice controlled eye massager. This thing looks awesome. And I guarantee I could do this, do a video on this. This looks like it has some potential. We can scroll down and come to the next page. I'm going to put 20 per page so I don't have to click through too many pages. And we're going to find more products. Okay, so here is another one. It's similar to my short sleeve shirt, but these are tank tops. And they sell a pack of 5 for $11. And as soon as I see that price of $11 for 5, I know immediately I can say, look, you can buy 5 shirts, they're $2 a piece, and people just buy it. Like when it's that good of a price, that means it has a lot of potential, and they've done $10,000 in sales in the last 7 days. So that one has a lot of potential. And just like that, I found a second product that I can go and make a video about. These sunglasses, 3 pairs of sunglasses for $20. That seems ridiculous. People are paying $200, $300 for a pair of sunglasses, and these actually look pretty cool. So those are the type of products that I'm looking at, and that's how I find them. And that is my thought process as I'm going in and making videos for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, drop them in the comments. I'll put, again, the links in the description down below. Go get Kalodata, start taking action, and learn from other people and turn it into your own success. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video.